so excited for this video, guys. Oops, I'm making slime. I've got the saline solution. Right, I'm so excited, guys, for you guys. Wow. So the first thing we're gonna make is clay slime. I'm so excited, guys. You don't. I'm so stupid. I forgot to get a mixer. Who cares? I'm making slime. Oh God! Let's use all the glue. Wait, can I just try it a little? See if it turns into slime. Let's break this thing.
What am I doing wrong? I wish you were inside to analyze him. You wish I was what? To do what? Analyze him for me. Well, that's your job as a therapist, huh? Go there and handle your business. But just in case I need a
What?
I will be here.
I think I know why. Because this is liquid glue. This was the liquid clear glue. It wasn't actually clear glue. Look. You guys don't believe me? There. Liquid glue. It's not actually PVA, so don't believe that.
You are so beautiful.
God. Let's see what it turns into.
The more she lets her guards down, the more she's prone to manipulation.
It's like, I'm using my finger, guys, because like I haven't got anything. It's like it's turning into something, but it's not there.
Please do not analyze them.
Guys, I have no idea what I'm doing. All I know is saline solution works, doesn't it? Doesn't it? This is a joke. It's not working? Okay, let's use a glitter glue then. Since I'm just going to use my worst one, which is a green. No offense if you love green.
Oh, I'll answer that question. Yeah.
Yeah? No! What's happening right now? I'm doing a chat video, Mom. Doing a YouTube video. I'm doing a YouTube video. So I'm just squirting all of this out. Like, is this meant to be a joke? Let's add some glitter. Why not? It's gonna work. Well, it has to. Because I'm sorry, but this isn't going free.
Wow.
Some green glitter. It's really fine. I got this beautiful set for £8. Do you understand how much £8 is? You clearly don't if you think like the small amount. Go use internet or something to see how much that is.
Okay, I am going to get ready for work. I have a job.
I have no idea how much I went to this, but it's not working. I knew you needed baking soda. Guys, contact lens solution does not work unless you have baking soda. It's like spilled. It just doesn't work. It's not working. Did I overdo it? Did I underdo it? What did I do? Let's just, why not? I'm gonna use the next screen. Because I don't give up that easily. I was so excited for this. I literally ran into the house, washed my hands as soon as I got here, and I just started this video. And you're telling me it's not working? That's a crazy joke. You're telling me I should be telling... Well, I should be telling that one because it should work for you guys too. I think it turned into something.
Oh yeah, of course I do.
It's like clumping, but it's not turning into anything. Look. It looks like it's something, doesn't it? But when you touch it, look.
That's why I'm here.
It's disgusting. I don't understand what's happening right now and I want to cry. This altogether was around £13. You don't understand. Gone down the drain for slime. This is like the 100th time I've used money, so much money on slime, and it's failed me. It's just failed. Squirting out all the silver. I've used all of the greens, all of the silver, and the mix of silver and green. And
who goes about on dates with random guy, and I'm assuming it's good for you, right? Meanwhile, you go about telling people how to keep a man, how to get a man, how to leave a man. You are extremely appalling, and of all your patients, you're the sickest of them all, and a damn hypocrite. Listen to me, I'm talking to you. You are sick and pathetic. Get your hands up higher. I just know that. Out.
It's just starting into something new, and I'm just sorry if I sound weird. I'm just so sad. Just to be honest, I think I might as well just add all my glitter glues because I don't think any of these work. It doesn't say their ingredients on it, so I wasn't 100% sure.
Robert is just outside, eh?
Oh, thank you so much for
looks like.
The Tesco's don't write down their ingredients. All they have is this stupid "I will promise. We are happy to refund or replace any Tesco products." I got this from Tesco too, so they were both going to be worthless and fail. But I think it's the baking soda. Because it's turning into something, but I think it's turning into a big blob. I think it needs that little push that baking soda will to give. What is this? It looks like snot. Disgusting.
Good day, Maya.
Exactly what happened with the clear glue, and I just squirted. I wanted to just squirt all of it out, and then something in my brain told me, Faith, use a little bit and try to see if this slime kit works. And I did, and now I still have loads of clear glue, so thank you to that brain in my head.
Can you please tell me
It's just, I don't understand what went wrong. What went wrong?
Nicole, you know you cannot afford
What went wrong? What went wrong?
It kind of takes me off.
I don't understand. Maybe, just maybe, if I added my blue tack, it would work. Let's go ahead and try.
Miggy is coming back tomorrow.
I'm turning back now.
I know. He's my brother.
No, turning back.
Oh, yeah.
Will it? Guys, I'm going to pause the video and try it.
What you have to do. So, the test is over. You can have my brother. I promise I will not let you down. Oh, you better not. I'll take the lead now, okay? Enjoy your lunch. Thank you. Hello, Mara. Mr. Alfred. Oh, yes, thank you.
I don't know what this is anymore, guys. I have not only messed up. It's gone. It's gone. Forever.
help you with it, right?
Thank you, sir. My taxi's almost here.
I know, Nicole. I promise you I will pay for every minute spent.
Mr. Namdi Richard.
Yes, sir. Please come in.
Didn't work. Didn't work. I'm going to mix this in.
So,
See if it works.
where are you going?
Hasn't worked so far.
Just in the roundabout.
Well, it's about your boyfriend's sister.
How did you know?
You know a lot about it. Let's just put it this way, that I hired a private investigator to shadow you. I mean, I know your background. I know where you grew up. I know the school you went to. I also know that you used to stand on your board as a cooker at night. Because you want to make money to put food on the table. And also to afford your hard work.
It's a hot mess, but I'm still having faith. I don't know why.
Died in a mysterious fire accident. And that you got raped when you were a child. And then you came to Stephanie because you felt she was a safe place where you could pour your problems in. Anything more for this? Yes. I do know that you also love my brother. And that you don't have any job.
You have no right, absolutely no right to invade my privacy.
What exactly I don't know, what I don't understand, what I don't get is how Stephanie would allow a girl like you to be with her brother. Let's celebrate with unification.
It looks and feels so weird.
On Friday, the 1st of December, at the CNS Church headquarters,
I'm squirmy. I don't understand my pain right now. It's the baking soda. Dad,
You're welcome.
we need baking soda.
This glorious occasion is going to be awesome.
Come on down and join us for this amazing revival.
Okay, tomorrow. After school, because we have no practice. After school, we just go get some baking soda. And guys, this video will be redone. What I've got is a sloppy mess in my hands to say for now. Good thing I didn't use my favorite clues. And I didn't even use all the green glitter. I'm so happy. I'm not happy that this didn't work, but I am happy that I didn't waste everything. I would have normally wasted everything. Don't know if you're that type of person that's so excited to do it and they're just like, yay, let's add everything, it's gonna totally work, and it doesn't work and you're like, well, that's £13 down the drain. But I still have some saline solution left. And apparently, oh, they do have apparently the saline solution works just as well as contact lens solution. So I think it's definitely, to me, the baking soda. I am not this type of person. Ew. So guys, that is how horrible this video went. And I'm going to quickly wash my hands and come back. Well, actually, I'm just going to press pause and come back. Guys, I'm such an idiot. Kit gave me stuff 3. But anyway, this video didn't work. I think I need some baking soda or something like that. But, so yeah. See you later.